Hi again, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Granddad's Kitchen. Now I'm trying out this new camera, so I don't know how it's gonna cope, but so far it looks okay. Anyway, I've got some fish in here, about from Dulce, and some chips and a slice of garlic bread. Now, this fish, I ain't gonna lie to you, I've tasted it already. It tastes nice. You know what I mean? About 5 minutes per side. Boom, boom. Check it, just touch it and see if it's crispy. You feel it now from it cool and soft, and you know when it's done it. Yeah? Anyway, what we're gonna do now, we have some chips. No, roast potato seasoning we buy the other day. We've never used it yet, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna sprinkle some of that all over it and see what we come up with, yeah? Hold on 1 second, I'll go get it. Here's our seasoning. It's a roast potato seasoning. Right, now the first thing I would do with this normally is like smell it. You know, it's a couple of things you will be able to identify. It's got that kind of a chickeny smell. Yeah. Then dip your finger in it. Yeah. Taste that. First thing that hits me is the salt. So there's a lot of salt in that. So if I'm going to use that, I'm going to make sure I don't add no more salt to it until it finishes cooking, or till it's at least halfway, till it start cooking. Okay. So if I get this now, just sprinkle that. As well, you may have noticed earlier I had my chips all spread out, but because it's a powder, more or less, kind of grainy, but kind of, it's kind of like dry cornmeal. Yeah, I've gathered up my chips together so that the seasoning will fall on top of the chips, not just between. Yeah, sure, watch me, man, watch me. Right, I'm tempted to put some of it on the fish, but because I'm going to be judging. No man, taste the fish already, the fish alright. So I'm going to put them on the fish now, and then can tell you how it makes the fish taste. Got my garlic bread, put some on there as well. Right, so when I come back to you and tell you how this thing tastes, you can see. So, got my oven set at about, I ain't even got my glasses on. Let's say 200. I'm going to knock that down to about 180. And I put my tray, number 3. Alright. Now, I've taken my chips out. It's been in there about, I don't know, about 10 minutes. I'm not really watching the time. I'm watching the TV, eating my food, yeah? The fish I haven't checked because of the thickness of the fish. First thing I check is the chips. Sorry. The garlic bread. There's the garlic bread, right? Now, if you look at the color on the garlic bread, to me, that's kind of fine, and don't want it dry out at all more than that. So I've taken that out. I'm going to put that one side there. I'm going to let my chips do a bit more. How you take your chips? You get a chips and you bite it. If you take like chips out of the road, it's fine. Yeah? This one's soft and nice, so this one coming like it's ready. I'm going to take the next one. A little bit bigger, I take a little more eat. Yeah? That's alright, but the next 5 minutes in the oven, alongside everything else, should be fine. Yeah? So, I'll put that back in and give it another 5 minutes in the oven. There. Right. Now, I chuck my bread back in there. After everything's finished, turn the oven off and just leave it in there for a couple of seconds, just to kind of let the bread kind of warm back up again. Let me get a plate meanwhile and just plate this all up. Now I got my bread, stick it on there, my fish. Oh, that's hot. Right, that's that. Okay, sorry about that, but there it is on the plate. Alright, all nice and thingy-majig. Try it again. Perfect, perfect, perfect. But not like that, you have problems. All that need now is, there it is, some ketchup and mayo. Bam! Can't ask for nothing more than that. But, so you know me and I hate waste. This is my mayo jar, right? What I'm going to do with that jar now, I put some ketchup in there. I'm going to drop this lot. Let's put it there. All in the jar. I'm going to put the lid on it and give it a good shake. 1 second. There it is. Chips in a jar. Yeah, we'll bring it to you. I'm bringing all these things. Chips in a jar. Look out for it. You see that? All you need now is a fork. I'm going to do these things. You can buy these things at shop. Take them out. Try them out. Granddad's flavor, man. Trust me. Soon come here. So, people, in the meantime, take care of each other. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for subscribing. See you later.